द डिवीजन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स एंड फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स। हमने देखा कि हम डिवीजन कर सकते हैं पॉलिनोमियल्स का नॉर्मली यूजिंग आइडेंटिटीज और यूजिंग फैक्टराइजेशन। नाउ टुडे वी लर्न द लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड। अगर आपका पॉलिनोमियल जो न्यूमरेटर में है वो काफ़ी बड़ा है, उसकी डिग्री ज़्यादा है, मोर देन 3 डिग्री, मोर देन 4 डिग्री, दैट मीन्स x to the power 4, x to the power 5, then the identities, the factorization doesn't help, क्योंकि x की पावर 4 या x की पावर 5 का फैक्टराइजेशन करना इतना आसान नहीं है। सो in that case we'll use the long division method. Okay, we will divide the numerator with the denominator and factorize that. Okay, तो जब भी आपकी डिग्री न्यूमरेटर की बड़ी हो, we'll prefer long division method. Okay, so we'll take some examples from the very basics. Okay, so now we will solve this example with long division. Okay. So we have to divide x square minus 4x minus 27 by x minus 7. Okay, so we have to choose a quotient such like that. If we choose a quotient such as x, then it must multiply with this x to get x square. हमें यहाँ पे ऐसा नंबर लेना है quotient में जिसका multiplication x के साथ रिजल्ट निकले आपका क्या, x square. Okay, so normally we'll take x, yeah, x into x is x square. We always have to look for the first term. हमें first term हटाना है, यहाँ से first term subtract करना है. We don't have to look for 7. 7 will automatically adjust, but we always have to look for the first term. Okay, so x into x will be x square and x into minus 7 will be minus 7x. Now second step, the very important step is we have to subtract this. So this sign will be negative because it is positive sign, and this sign will change into positive. Okay, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव था तो ये नेगेटिव बन जाएगा, ये नेगेटिव था तो ये पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा, because we are subtracting this polynomial from the upper one. Okay, so negative they will cancel out. Minus 4x plus 7x will be what, plus 3x. Okay, please remember हम ये वाला साइन लेंगे अब, not this sign. So minus 4x plus 3x will be minus 4x plus 7x will be 3x. Now this term will come minus 21. Now here is 3x and here is x only. तो हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, obviously plus 3 से. So we take plus 3. Plus 3 into x is 3x. 3 into minus 7 is minus 20. This will cancel out. That means there is no remainder. So if we divide, we can write this as x plus 3 as the answer, or we can say this as x minus 7 into x plus 3 upon x minus 7. They will cancel out, that's why this will came. So the quotient for this is x plus 3. The resultant is directly x plus 3. We have seen this thing in factorization method. We have factorized this x square minus 4x minus 21 as x minus 7 and x plus 3. Then we cancel out. But in long division, we are directly getting the quotient as the final answer as x plus 3. Okay. Now we'll take some higher example. In the second example, we have taken a polynomial that consists of 4 degree term. Okay, as we have discussed that this polynomial is very difficult to factorize using factorization method or using identities. So we'll prefer long division method. So we have to divide by x plus 2. Okay, the very first step जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया था, what we will choose as a quotient, हम चूज करेंगे एक ऐसा नंबर जिसके मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद x से आपको x की पावर 4 मिले. सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई विद x की पावर 3, if it definitely comes x to the power 4, right? X to the power 3 into x is x to the power 4. Rest x cube into 2 is equal to 2x cube. Okay, now we'll change the sign, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे इसको हटाना है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. So we have to change the sign. It is positive, so we'll convert that into negative. This is also positive, this will be negative. Okay, now this will cancel out, first term will cancel out. This is 3x cube minus 2x cube. 3x cube minus 2x cube is x cube. Rest we have minus x square minus x plus 6. Okay, now we have x cube and here is x. So what should we take in quotient? X square, right? अगर यहाँ पे आप x square लेंगे तो x square into x मिलके क्या बन जाएगा आपका x cube, right? So we have taken x square. This will be x square into 2. That means plus 2x square. Okay. Now we have to change the sign again. This will be negative. This will also be negative. Okay, this will cancel out. This is minus x square and minus 2x square. Minus x square and minus 2x square क्या बन जाएगा आपका minus 3x square. Rest is minus x minus plus 6. Okay, now we have minus 3x square. अब हम इसमें ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें? That will take minus 3x square. So obviously we'll multiply with minus 3x. Minus 3x. Because minus 3x into x is what? Minus 3x square. So minus 3x square. Minus 3x plus 2 into plus 2 is what? Minus 6x. So this will be minus 6x. Right? Now we have to change the sign. This will be positive and this will also turn positive. Okay, this will cancel out. Minus x plus 6x minus x plus 6x क्या बन जाएगा plus 5x. Okay, plus 5x and we have remainder as 6. So यहाँ पे हम लेंगे plus 5 obviously. So if we take plus 5, if we take plus 5, this will be plus 5x and this will be plus 10. Okay, if we subtract it, this will be negative, this will also be negative. ये cancel हो जाएगा. Plus 6 minus 10 is minus 4. So this will be our remainder. Okay, minus 4 will be our remainder. So we can write our this term as x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus x square minus 6 plus 6 upon x plus 2 is equal to x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 5 minus 4 upon what is the numerator x minus 2. Okay, we can write like this because this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So remainder upon what we are dividing. Okay, this will be our answer. Now in the third question we are dividing the same numerator or the same polynomial expression with x to the power 3. We have seen in second question that this polynomial is not perfectly divided by x plus 2. क्वेश्चन 2 में हमने देखा कि ये पॉलिनोमियल x plus 2 से परफेक्टली डिवाइड नहीं हुआ था बिकॉज वहाँ पे रिमाइंडर बच रहा था. दैट मीन्स x plus 2 इज नॉट अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. या बिकॉज रिमाइंडर बच रहा है दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट अ फैक्टर. Okay, so now we will try is x plus 3 is a factor of this expression or not. अगर ये completely divide हो जाएगा, remember guys, अगर आपका remainder बच रहा है that means the divisor this term is not a perfect factor of this polynomial. Okay, अगर remainder नहीं बचता है that means it is a factor of this पॉलिनोमियल. ये इसका फैक्टर होगा, ये इसका रूट होगा या इसको बोल सकते हैं ये इसका जीरो होगा अगर आपका रिमाइंडर नहीं बच रहा है तो. ओके, सो विल ट्राई डिवाइड बाय x plus 3. सो फर्स्ट विल टेक x cube. ओके, x cube, this will be x to the power 4 plus 3x cube. Now we'll change the sign. This will be negative, this will also be negative. Okay, this will cancel out. What we have is this also cancel out. Next we have minus x square minus x plus 6. Since ये दोनों cancel हो गए so we'll take the rest of the terms. Now this is x and minus x square. So if you multiply this number with minus x into plus x will be what? Minus x square, and minus x plus 3 will be what? Minus 3x, right? So this will be positive, this will also be positive, right? This will cancel out. यहाँ बचेगा minus x plus 3x, so plus 2x. Okay, no need to add plus sign. Now we'll take plus sign, plus 6 here. Now plus 2x. So if you multiply the expression with plus 2, then it will be plus 2x, and 3 into 2 is what? 6. So we change the sign. Now this will cancel out. Remainder, there is no remainder. So there is no remainder. That means that x plus 3 is a factor of given expression. ये इसको completely divide कर रहा है. That means x plus 3 is a factor. Or we can write this as x plus x power 4 plus 3x cube minus x square minus x plus 6 divided by x plus 3 equal to x cube minus x plus 2. This is the quotient for this remainder, or we can say this is we are getting after factorization of this polynomial. Now in the fourth question we have taken x to the power 4 term, okay, in the dividend, but there is no term of x cube or x square. We directly have x term only, okay, and in the divisor also we have taken a quadratic equation instead of a linear equation, okay. So we learn how to divide such type of linear polynomials, okay. So we can say this is x to the power 4 and here we have x square, so we have to multiply with x square, right? If you multiply x square and x square, we will get x to the power 4. But now x square into minus x is x cube, but there is no term of x cube, so we have to take it, or we have to write it in separate, okay. We'll write x cube. Now we multiply x square with minus 6. So this will again, x square is not here, so we'll write in separate minus 6x square, okay. Now we'll change the sign. This will be minus, this will cancel out, this will be positive, this will also be positive, okay. Now we write it, this will be x cube plus 6x square minus 13x minus 42. Now we have x cube term and this is x square, so we have to multiply with x obviously. So this is x into x square will be x cube, x into minus x will be minus x square minus x into minus 6 will be minus 6x, and there is no constant term, okay. Now this will get cancel out, this will be positive, this will also be positive, okay. Plus 6x square plus x square will be what? 7x square of plus obviously, and this minus 13x plus 6x will be what? Minus 7x minus 42, okay. Now we have minus 7x, x square is already there, so we have to multiply with only positive of 7. This will be 7x square, 7 plus 7 into minus x will be minus 7x plus 7 into minus 6 will be minus 42, okay. If we change the sign, this will be negative, positive, positive, so this will cancel out. Minus 7 plus 7 also cancel out, minus 42 plus 42 cancel out, there is no remainder, okay. That means this term is a perfect factor of this given polynomial. So we can write this as x to the power 4 minus 13x minus 42 divided by x square minus x minus 6 is nothing but x square plus x plus 7, okay. So this is our fifth question and last question for today. We have to divide 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 4 by x square plus 1, okay. So first we have to multiply with 3x obviously, because this is x cube, 3x cube, and this x square. So if you multiply 3x, this will be what? 3x cube, right? And 3x into 1 is what? Plus 3x, right? There is no x square term. Now this will cancel out, this will be negative, and this will cancel out, this will get sign change of negative, okay. Now this term will come as a remainder for this expression. Minus 7x minus 3x will be what? Plus 4x minus 4, okay. Now this is minus 2x square and this is x square, so we have to multiply with minus 2 only. So this will be minus 2x square minus 2, right? This will sign get changed. This will be positive. This will cancel out. This will be also positive. And in the remainder, what we'll get? 4x minus 2. There is a remainder of 4x minus 2. That means x square plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. X square plus 1, 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 4 का फैक्टर नहीं है, तभी यहाँ पे एक रिमाइंडर बच रहा है. So if we have to write, we'll write like this: 3x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 4. When we divide it by x square plus 1, we'll get 3x minus 2 plus 4x minus 2 as remainder, and that is divided by x square plus 1. This will be the final solution for the division. So these are some problems on today's topic, factorization using long division method. Okay, try to solve them, try to find the answers, write them in the comment box, and if you have any doubt, please write them in the comment box. We'll try to answer them. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you for liking our channel. Thank you for your response. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and keep commenting. Maths Monkey. We are getting some requests from the viewers that to make videos on some particular topics like decimals or using factorization. But please, viewers, please write the class or the grade for which you want the videos. Okay, and certain topics, please write them. We'll try to make them videos on that. Okay, thank you.